my opening question to you both, but perhaps start with JD, is, given the fact that you've travelled the world and given the passage of time from, lean early concepts to what it is today, how do you see that it has changed? Is it fundamentally what it was when we were looking at things like Toyota and Motorola? Has it changed quite significantly with potentially the Americanization and commoditization of it so that it becomes something that we can sell to the masses? Because I rather get the impression that in its early stages, it was more of a philosophy, whereas later on it became more of a recipe. And I'm just interested in how things have evolved and grown and maybe changed with different countries and how they adopt them. So, starting with JD, what are your thoughts on that?
Absolutely. It has changed. We're learning all the time. One of the main principles of lean is continuous improvement, and of course, we're improving the skill set, the tool set, the methodology all the time. And even the early academics who wrote about it back in the 1990s admit that what they wrote about then, they now, if they wrote about it again, they wouldn't do the same thing. We have learned through many conferences from great individuals that in the beginning, 1990s, there was the idea that we need to focus on non-value added activities and remove them. They called that waste, and the Japanese called it Muda. Mm-hmm. And that was the revolutionary new idea in a way then, okay, that in every process there's things we should be doing and things we shouldn't be doing. We need to identify the things we shouldn't be doing and remove them. And that was, the idea. Now, as we've moved on with time, people have realized that the people working in the process, for a start, are far more important to whether a process is being improved, whether a process is efficient, how the people behave in the process, interact in the process, whether management has respect for the people is very, very important. And that the people are continually learning and problem solving. So problem solving mentality has become far more important in the mindset, in the methodology. And so I think we've recognized there'll always be waste, there'll always be problems. It's not just about finding it and removing it, but how we approach that in a problem solving mindset.